Country people, Anambra gets relief as court upholds the APC 26 primary election. That's June 26. Court also dismisses joinder application filed by Judge Mogalo.
Igbo Area TV.
This Niger court serve different judgments. Yesterday, Federal High Court Abuja been say Anambra no even did the race unto say APC primary na wayo. Person will win be Judge Mogalo. But another Federal High Court for Oka don't carry their own come. Justice H.A. Nganjiwa say Anambra na him win the Anambra APC primary will happen on June 26, 2021. The suit where Chief Maxwell Okoye filed say make them for declare himself winner of APC primary. Say na him get highest number of votes. That one the judge dismiss. Say he no fit convince the court weller so that the court go give unto him. What about the one where Mogalo self filed? Say he dey interested for the matter. That one self judge say na Babas say a lack merit. Makande court to see so. So as it be now, Andy Oba don't enter the race again. Court don't pronounce say a contest that election APC primary. So now if it continue in fight with Soludo until who win Anambra governor election, since court don't reestablish him as APC candidate for that race. You know, say court been say APC no even field candidate at all. This time around, court don't approve say APC field candidates. Okay, so I gonna one election tribunal kama na Soludo ya dapo. And then Anambra be saying it very kebikono ka ekwensu are e batabia ichai. This particular message is for Umahi. I know say him go down receive the signal self. Court sacked 20 Cross River State House of Assembly members for defecting from People's Democratic Party PDP. Do Ashawo go APC? That's a political Ashawo. Umahi, anything is possible. In fact, I know waiting you still the do there. A Gariwe of PDP is the current governor, as we know. Umahi no be you be governor, but anyway, court strikes out stay of execution motion of Governor Dave Umahi, and Umahi been the ask court made them strike out the stay of execution. And make we read them for proper Oyibo. He said what it means here is that the Federal High Court threw out the stay of execution order because there is a substantive appeal against the verdict in the appeal court, so the lower court lacks local standing to adjudicate in a case already in the higher court. Recall that Umahi's legal team, they told the court about a substantive appeal against the verdict. The thing be say Umahi been filed stay of execution on to say that judgment way second make the judgment no take place. But Umahi by himself say then they make them withdraw the stay of execution. They don't file the matter for bigger courts. And so it be. Make we look into the test story. Make we see waiting Sola Kuti right give Tinubu ahead of 2023. But it's hard, Sha. You want to be president. Your wife is a senator. Your daughter is a Iyaloja. Your Tinubu daughter, they control every market for Lagos, Iyaloja. Even Computer Village must deliver 1 million daily. Now, so now your son is advertising guru for state accounts. And Tinubu's son be like, say, now him be the next governor of Lagos State. Sola Kuti went on, he said, your newspaper is official organ for several southwestern states. Your TV station, it be like saying a TVC, is the official paid propaganda channel of several southern states. Tinubu, you collect tax revenue as a consultant for Lagos State. You own almost everything remaining valuable real estate in Lagos. You own a private hospital inside the state teaching hospital in Ikeja. Tinubu, you own burial grounds and mortuaries with your wife in Lagos. Your wife is the official supplier of diesel to all Lagos state formations and generators powering all street lights in Lagos. You control directly all the machinery of government in at least 6 states. And they never say tire, it come federal now. He said, unless there is something else that is wrong with you and your head, What are you looking for in the presidency? If you have managed the resources and the states you control very well, we would be the ones calling for you to be president, not you trying to impose on us. This guy really fired Tinubu well, Solar Kuti. Now, so I never see this kind of greed, just like a Ekwerema the greed for Enugu. Ekwerema the one become everything for Enugu. Other people don't make sense, not only him. Now the kind of thing Tinubu they do. Let's meet Governor Soludo's chief of staff. Ernest Ezajuri is a Unizik alumni and a former mayor, London Borough of Brent from 2019 to 2021. And the guy is from Obu in Orumba, not local government, Anambra State. He did his secondary education at Agwata High School, Agwata. He studied medical microbiology at the prestigious Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka, and graduated in 1998. He's a founding member of the British chapter of All Progressive Grand Alliance, ABGA. He was also the DG 2021 Soludo gubernatorial campaign diaspora. And while in London, he was a member of the Labour Party, where he won the mayor of London Borough of Brent in 2019. He was appointed chief of staff to the executive governor of Anambra State on Monday, 21st March 2022. The people who Soludo carry the work, these guys, they very so. Hey, we hope they will finish strong, just like they are starting strong. Go. May God help Soludo fit handle those touts, especially inside Onitsha. Touts problem is the problem. I hear government, they say, do not aid on or abet illegal revenue collection in the state. Say no to touting in our dear state. When you bro bopiri, namma, chemado nihu, you need to listen. You know why Soludo they tell all these about made and live on the show. You need to hear their threat. I go play one voice note now, make una hear the threat of Ndiaboro. Then no one here waiting Soludo they talk. This one a voice note of somebody we really face them. Tax matters, Anambra. I don't know how Soludo for handle these guys. But
Divine, good evening. Because yeah, Ndaboro, I and Ndaboro, Ndaboro did yesterday. Joe Chokam make no matter. Because I told me to put into our yoga. Yesterday, from my market, Brungwafia, Jemeche Bill, na Entra Konopi Weka. So, never Tazo, Britain is Chuku, open a hold up there and revises a Jabba Express, Siganshi Express, Wepata, Uga Junction. So, Uga Junction by Express can tell. Come na court to take him but Uga Junction now. So, one man when I have move, man, I want them. So, come on, move the 2 boys as around them yesterday evening, around that kind to 7 in Camden. So, I asked him, help on my bottle, my Oshishi 2x2, my mama. So, now I came and cause away with the 2x2 and I scream, Kakemo, bah, child and scream. Now, I want to case you okay, only name. So, you're not Jumbo, and Bomane Soludo. Because I'm going before your man botrank, so can you go car, Piawa Botro? I came say, but I'm one is a load or some the Chukwas come. So, because I told me the opportunity and the capital, a man and madam and some more boss below any can near the young car, all because according to the young boy in a woman by North and do Benaka, Kukumaka, the years no maca. Without knowing Nenda Borana the Keke. So, can you call it it doesn't Keka, Kobaza. Become the Mekun Mata, become my yayo, e back Keke, by short 2 boss. Become monogapim. In the Madene Kusnes and Udona try. Thank God and Nenda Bora make him out there and Kumechonog. You will be Naga, Irito, Gabaroga. Biko, I told me the opportunity where yoga. Biko, you take Kuza, this is a good endorsement. Yeah, I made yesterday evening, Oga Junction by Express. Nirum na mo abonyo mer keke mu kapia the screen ya So biko ana m ayọ unu ka anyị rapụ ibe victim. Chukwu gozikwara m unu. Daalụ.
Add your suggestion about what you think on today's story respectfully for the comment section. My name na Uzo OJ, na here I dey kwarapo.